Hold on, let's stop recording. Let's stop recording and singing. It's too much. It's too much.
Aloha. Where are we going today, Anna? We are going to the Waterfalls.
It was like Tuesday night. We were feeling like, yeah, we're gonna be here forever. And then as soon as Wednesday hit, we were like, what the hell? We're leaving already. It's crazy. So they say that in this trail, this is where they filmed most of Jurassic Park, because in this area is the place that gets the most rain. We're just thinking, like, is there or is there not dinosaurs here? We have visual confirmation. We have seen a dinosaur flying. I mean, we saw it, but since we didn't touch it, we don't know if it was real, so. Then you look up and there's like telephone lines and you're like, maybe there's dinosaurs here. Tell me that this is not for a wheelchair.
No.
Jokes. Are we almost there? It's like I want to film to show you how fucking crazy this is. To be walking on this with no rails, but you need to look where you're going and I don't want to fall off while recording. Boxes are falling up. How cool is this? It says do not come over here. Yeah, we'll cut that out. So we're walking, right? This trail. We have slipped multiple times. What kind of plant is that? She's like, I don't know. And then she giggles, and I'm like, what are you laughing at? And she's like, doesn't it kind of look like a penis? Yeah, Anna.
No, the truth.
You speak the truth. I thought like bananas were native to Hawaii.
They're Brazilian.
Oh shit.
So expensive.
We're like, just because we're here doesn't mean we're like rich. It means that we're near broke. This is what we're climbing. So I wore my black Vans and it's fine, and I'm slipping and sliding because I don't have my tennis shoes. We're getting by. We're barely surviving this part. That's the look that you will get while climbing this, just like face palm. You gotta share the road here unless someone's gonna fucking fall. These guys walk by and they're listening to a song, Latch by Sam Smith. That's my shit. My favorite song. And it's been like a year plus. Now I've got you in my face.